M2 MacBook Pro, how to upgrade the built-in SSD. This is a 2024 year MacBook Pro, a 2779. The customer asked us to help upgrade to 2 terabytes. The original SSD only has 512 grams. Unscrew the fixing screws of the back cover. Disconnect the battery detection cable and the touchpad cable interface. Unscrew the battery fixing screw and disconnect the external power supply to the motherboard. You can see that there are 4 SSD bays on the front of the motherboard. There are also 4 trays on the reverse side. Each SSD slot can install an SSD with a single particle capacity of 1 terabyte. So this machine can expand the SSD capacity to 8 terabytes in total. The original SSD 512 grams only uses 2 particles. Expansion 2 terabytes, 4 terabytes, 8 terabytes. It is necessary to complete the circuits surrounding the other 6 hard disk slots before they can work properly. After removing the original SSD, each solder joint must be smoothed. The methods for removing particles on both sides are the same. Remember to add corresponding power supply components around the 4 2 terabytes particles. Since the process is very long, we will not show it here. All preparations are done. Balling the new 4-grain 512 grams SSD to be installed. Be careful not to heat the air gun to too high a temperature. After SSD ball transplantation is okay, install them on the corresponding solder positions 0, 1, 2, 3 on the motherboard in sequence. The air gun is heated using the soft wind setting, and use tweezers to gently push the chip. It is obvious that there is a slight drifting feeling. After all, 4 particles are installed in the corresponding positions on the motherboard. Remember to flash the machine and test it. Make sure the SSD is working properly. Seal the newly installed SSD with vinyl again. At this point, basically all the upgrade work has been completed. Maybe you are also interested in our videos. We can provide help and teaching on MacBook motherboard repair, including data recovery and other services. At the same time, we can also provide all necessary chips, material boards, and reference schematics for repair. We can also carry out some maintenance cooperation, and we look forward to your joining. You can contact WhatsApp, WeChat 861860948014. After the entire upgrade process is completed, install the system and check again that the SSD capacity is 2 terabytes.